Hey guys, we are back once again, and we're gonna be playing. Let's see. Decisions. Okay, let's get this started. Okay, guys. Okay, let's do another proposal, cause that was mine. I wasn't done with it yet. Okay, let's has put on the spot. How did you get out? Put you on the spot. How did you get out? This is gonna be interesting. Really interesting. It's gonna be interesting. You know Zia is provoking Lucas, but there is nothing you can do about that. Now you can concentrate on Lucas. That's me. Okay, I don't know what to pick. Get definite brush off the topic. I know his name, so there must be something going on between us, right? Yeah. I'm polite and I talk to people. That's all. Period, girl. Period, poo. She's doing it. Yeah, sure. Okay, but guys, sorry for messing it up, but look at this. Let me show you. Look at it. Okay, Zia, stay out of this. Yeah, Zia, you better watch out, girl. You better watch out. No, Sophie. Zia has a point. How do you know Rice? Whatever his name. Rice. Reese? I don't know how to say it. Reese. But I'm gonna call him Rice. That's a funny name. We're good friends. We have spoken a few times and he seems nice. Yeah, first of all, now you're over here being anxiety. Okay, I was just thinking say break up. Because first of all, I remember when I was doing this, but I wasn't taking the video. It said forgive him, but I did. I gave him a second chance, and now he's in Zia's team. Oh my God, what is wrong? What do you talk about? What do you talk about? What is he? What do you talk about? You mad? What are you talking about? What do you talk about? I do not understand him. Yeah. Okay. Oh, you know, life and stuff. Period. Period. No, it's me. Period. Period. Life and stuff. That's all she said. What do you? Life and stuff. Oh, you know, life and stuff. Period. 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 Poo. Okay, guys, sorry. It was like I think there's more to the story than that, Sophie. I see what you're doing, Sia. I see the game you're playing. What game? You and Paxton are fighting and you want to use me to take the focus off you. Am I right? Am I right? She's talking about me, cause I named her Sophie. That's not my real name. Okay. Well, this is whatever he said. Awkward. I'm heading to the bar. So flicks. Okay, I'm heading to the bar. Zia purses her lips. Just then, rice. No, 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 no. With the drinks. Okay, return with the drink. Rice, why won't you tell us how you and Sophie met? Rice looks nervous. I feel like this is some kind of trick question. We met at your wedding, Zia. Nothing scandalous. I don't know if I said that correct, but about it. Girl, you mess with that white racist girl, huh? White racist girl. Zia, what are you implying? That there clearly something fishy here. What's fishy, girl? What? Well, else would why else would you befriend another man when you have a boyfriend? Cause you can't be a friend with another man. You stupid. Whoever's doing this, are you a ball or whatever that is? You stupid girl. You stupid. You white racist girl. You should have said toxic minds. In Roblox, I should have done Roblox. Whatever. Has Zia guessed about our arrangement? You know, it's really pathetic. What are you doing, Zia? I'm simply calling out a cheating liar. Now you're creating drama when there isn't any? Yeah, sure. So guys, I'm gonna stop here because I bet the time is running out, so let me read this. I mean, I understood that must be rough. So thank you guys for watching and like my video. Bye. Subscribe, okay? Bye.